The guys you see next to me have invented the most amazing thing that will blow your mind.
Hi, I'm Jim.
Hi, I'm Manu.
But first, let me tell you what the problem is. Imagine you live in a poor country and you want to drink water. But the problem is, this cup of water is full of billions of tiny, tiny monsters. Some of them are good and some are bad. So if you drink this water, you might get a disease. Because a lot of these bad monsters in your water can only be seen by a microscope that costs $2,000.
And for that amount of money, most people cannot afford to see the microscopic world.
And that's where these guys come in to solve the tiny monster problem. Manu and Jim at Stanford University came up with a unique invention. They made a microscope that's 1,000 times cheaper because it's made of paper. Yes, paper. You get this paper, fold it just like origami, assemble it, and just like that, you have a microscope that allows you to see objects 140 to 1,000 times bigger than they actually are.
Do you see that where my...
So, with this microscope, bacteria in the kitchen sink looks like this. A baby starfish looks like this. The heart of an insect looks like this. And even the sand of a flower pot you have in your backyard looks like this.
This became a window to a whole new universe.
This microscope is so durable, it can survive a punch. It can survive physical damage, water damage, and even a drop from a building!
It's the only microscope in the world that can survive that.
But the best part is the price.
This thing costs $1 to make.
$1.
For that amount of money, they were able to make 500,000 microscopes and send them all around the world to kids and adults alike, who were now able to see a whole new universe that they couldn't see before.
Do you see that?
My God!
You see it? So I woke up today and I checked my phone and I saw this picture of a village in Tamil Nadu, India, of kids opening up these pouches and exploring their microscopic world around them. And this happens every single day.
And it gets even better. In the future, if you're a doctor in a remote, poor area, you could get a version of these microscopes and be able to detect on the spot diseases like rabies and malaria without having to buy a $1,500 microscope.
Because it's very important to make science affordable and accessible to everyone around the world.
This piece of paper deserves all the attention because it can help thousands of doctors, inspire millions of kids, and even save lives.
We're trying.